iOS 18.2, 7 settings you need to turn off right now. You want to optimize your iPhone's performance and privacy. Here are 7 settings you need to turn off in iOS 18.2. Open Settings and tap General. Tap Background App Refresh and turn it off for apps you don't need to refresh in the background. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services and disable location tracking for apps you don't want to track in your location. Now, in Settings, go to Privacy and Security and go to Location Services and toggle Share My Location off to stop sharing your location with family or apps. For personalized ads, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Apple Advertising and turn off personalized ads to prevent targeted ads and your data to be leaked. Now, for automatic downloads, open Settings and tap App Store. Disable automatic downloads for apps or updates you don't need installing automatically. For the iCloud Drive sync, go to Settings, your name, and then iCloud. Toggle off iCloud Drive for apps you don't want syncing. For notifications, go to Settings, Notifications, and disable notifications for apps that aren't essential. And those are the 7 settings that will help improve your privacy, save battery, and boost performance on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.